Hello, hello, we're back. That was a beautiful TGIF we had. That was an awesome, beautiful TGIF played out. But no reason to shut down the chart. I'll get into that. But it was a beautiful TGIF. I hope someone caught it. Did someone catch it short? I did not. I was too late behind the charts. But that was an awesome move. So we went straight to the 30% of the TGIF level. Yeah, did you take it, Seek for Wisdom? Exactly 30%. But. What is it? Um, I'm actually inclined to be bearish instead of bullish anymore. And I'm thinking about the levels that we were actually eyeing yesterday. I think these are in play. So I just want to wait till 10 o'clock because we got news and I just want to see the new 4-hour print at 10 o'clock. And I wonder, it'll tell us if it goes really, really hard back up. But I think I've got a level. You remember the remaining opening range gap that I had yesterday? We still have these equal lows here. And I call this is my reverse TGIF model. So it sort of like goes back totally in the range. And on the daily, and yes, we still have that news. We still have that and walk up us, but it could leave that for next week. But I just want to show you the daily because I was looking at it. I'm like, what if this turn? Look at the daily. We went in the 0.5 of this week, right? What if this candle turns into a bearish candle, right? Because we've got a wick already. I still have these levels. I have these gradients all on my chart a long time. What if we go from wick? What does it do? We go from wick to wick, right? Wick, we took external liquidity. Are we going now to internal? Because we already hit the TGIF levels. Is it going to go all the way back up? It could do that, but maybe when we have the news at 10 o'clock, I have this level and we were eyeing. Remember that we were looking at these levels, and a lot of the times when you are looking at a level and it doesn't hit, and you're sort of like, but why not? And it does it 1 or 2 days later. Because we still have this remaining opening range gap here. We've got a 15-minute mitigation block. We've got these equals on the 15. We've got these beautiful where are you? We still have these here. And this is a level that I have on the 422 is a point of interest that I have. I put it down here, point of interest before 11 o'clock. It could be quarter past as well, but so I really have to wait until 10 o'clock to see if we get a distribution candle to the downside on the 4-hour 10 o'clock. Could be the 1 hour as well, but technically it's more interesting to have a look at how the 4 hours are being set up. Now let's see. I mean, it could do both. Why would it go all the way into the TGIF level and then go back up, right? But it could. But this was the beautiful TGIF. Really, it was, and it was setting up the whole London section. Right? It was just not going, just dripping at 8:30. It did it, but it's still hard to read if you're not. It could have spiked up as well. But at some point, you could have gotten in, but I didn't take it, to be honest. But it was a good move. How many points did we move? 126 points move. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But I don't think we're done yet. I think we'll see. So remember this opening range gap here, an old one. So we literally filled the whole opening range. We just sort of like deleted the whole opening range gap with this move. So there won't be a lot. There will be a very small opening range gap at 9:30, which actually doesn't. It's not really. It's sort of like will give us chop in the morning. Unfortunately, let's have a look what we still have. If we have anything remaining. Oh, look at that, guys. So this is the opening range gap that I'm talking about, the remaining opening range gap. So I marked it. We filled this one, but I'm interested in this little piece here. I'm still interested in this. We filled yesterday's. Yeah, I'm bearish for now. I'm bearish. You're bullish, Bowser? I want to see this hit before 11 o'clock, 422. So I'm going to wait until the 10 o'clock candle prints and see what happens. So, I mean, it will be obvious if we go back up, right? If we are going over this level, then we're going up. But, and then we just adjust. But I'm now, you know what? We were waiting for this. Remember this session yesterday? We were just watching like, oh, we've got so much liquidity still below us. And gold is bullish as well. Gold is bullish. I mean, look at these equals. Um, oh, damn, that's exactly my point of interest. Yeah, I'm interested in this. Um, and this wick is my interest. They rejected previous day's high at 7 and sold off. Yeah, I mean, it was a beautiful short, but I mean, it was hard to get in, to be honest. But yeah, so for me, it's going to be waiting until the 10 o'clock candle prints. And then I hope, if I'm correct, then I hope to write it down all the way to here. This is an old 4 o'clock, by the way, as well. But it matches with these equal lows here. And remember, yesterday we were thinking, oh, it's gonna go there, it's gonna go there. This got me yesterday, right? So let's see. Weekly open is here. And Bowser, so you are bullish, right? I'm gonna leave those yellow ones. There we go. I'm gonna leave those little. Let's see. We have a very small opening range gap now because, oh, we would have had a large one, but now not anymore. 5 more minutes. Shall we have a look at gold? I'm very bullish on gold though. Gold, event horizon, and we have the N walk. Remember the N walk with on the daily no buy side? That one might be in play today for me as well. It's going to be a busy morning, guys. I think they're both going to be reversed. Let's see here. Yeah, I like it. But let's see. It could also just slam down, right, and go into this range here. Let's have a look at the weekly candle on gold. We are here. We've got a gap here. See how large these wicks are here. It's crazy. This is the weekly candle on. So wick. We opened higher, and this is the wick. Yeah, we've got to wait for the 10 o'clock news, right? Let's see what happens with the opening range gap. It's going to be a small gap. 631. Where we're at now. Okay. So it will be from here to somewhere here. I would love it if it would go up, to be honest. That would be nice. I mean, look, let's see. Did it create equal highs here? You see that? Equals. Then we have a first presented. Okay, we got it. We got opening. We're open. Wow. Just wow. Yeah, so these equals now have been taken here, these equals. Wow. Are we going to go up? Wow. Well, I guess maybe it's all in play. Wow. What a move. Anyone take that move? Hey, Kwame, did you take it? Nice, nice, nice. Well, I think I'm going to switch from bearish to bullish now. I don't think it's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wow. That's some impressive moves from. I mean, in all honesty, it goes down and then goes into TGIF and then goes like in this way up. It's just gonna love NQ. Even though I'm not in it, I love these moves. Okay. I have to readjust a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna look for something else. Okay. Just beautiful. Okay. Let's cut. Okay. Calm down, NQ now. Calm down. Calm down now. Okay, I think maybe this is it for now for 9:35. Let's see. Calm down. Calm down, baby. We want to be in a trade with you together, NQ. Calm down, baby. Calm down. We know you are such a strong. We know we were laughing at you for your weakness, but now we respect you again. Yes, we do. Calm down. Okay, let's see. Pum pum pum. 0821, 821, Where are my levels? Okay. 794, 792. Where are we now? Yeah, I think we're gonna go to this level here for sure, and then we might reject, right? Maybe already here. Let's see. Patience. A plus setup. Gonna wait. I really think this N walk is in play again. Remember, we've got liquidity here, here. We've got only a CB in here. It looks bloody bullish. We're out. I mean, look at the daily. Hey, if it just goes slams down again, I'm confused. Then I really have to like, what? What do you do? It's on steroids now. But I like it. I like it. I like it. Avneet, what is your bias until 11 o'clock? It's so crazy that I'm actually thinking it might just slam down again and just really go back into the range as well. I mean, it's so volatile, right? But I don't think so. I think we're gonna go balance out this imbalance. It's so bullish. Everything is bullish. Look at gold as well. Well, gold is ugly, and Q looks nice now. It's gonna fill the gap. Yeah, I when I started, I said, okay, I think because we already took the TGIF levels, I think it's going to be the reverse if we. But let's see. It's a small opening range gap. It could fill the gap to make everyone think we're bearish, and then it reverses back up again, right? But look, it's crazy if it will go back again in this range and then back up again. So I'm sort of like, if it starts going into the gap here, would it again, take up this level and then go back up again all the way? So 8:30 news, we go back up, we go back down, and we're going to go back up again. I don't know, but let's see if it just stays. We just have to wait. I have to wait until 10 o'clock. I just crazy. Oh, I mean, and Q, I like to see that. Q. It's hard to read, eh? It's a hard read, to be honest. I've been going back and forth already twice. But if we go down I have this level here, 422 to the downside. And if we go up, 792. Uh, we almost hit it already. And 792 and then upwards. 792, event horizon, and then end wall. Let's see. So enough flavors to choose from. All good. Just have to wait until 10 o'clock. Crazy stuff. Do we see accumulation, manipulation, distribution? Can we consider this a manipulation move? A, M, D. Or is this just a whole accumulation, this the manipulation, and we're going to get the distribution to the downside? Let's see on the 1 hour again. I need to figure out. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yeah, I think we're in the distribution. I think this is the distribution. We retest the 940. It's not really. Okay. Um, AMD. Now the question is where am I going to get in? Very interesting. Breaker. Second inversion. Yeah. Um, I wish it was 10 o'clock. I wish it was 10 o'clock. June. 0.5. Here. I'm getting ready on my account, guys. I'm getting ready for a long. I'm gonna wait, but my mind is going to prepare itself for a long. This is my I might chew on GP1 and a run or two here. Does it make sense? Where is 1, 2? Maybe go. I might get in with 4. 1, 2 here. 2. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna go in with 3 micros. Breaker. First presented. We're above the first presented. I'm getting in. Presented. See. Retest. Needs to be over this one. Conversion, retest, what time? 9:47, 9:40. Yeah, I'm getting in. I'm going to do TD1 here and I'll see you later. I'm a bit worried about this wick that it might slow down a little bit, but I wanted to go over this wick here. Oh, sorry. Event horizon 848. We're almost at the top of the wick here at 824. And one standard deviation, so this is also, let's see. Hello, PK, how are you? It's all normal for it to stall here because it hit a certain level. 792 was a certain level here, and I think that is where the body stopped. So it's sort of normal that you have stall here a little bit. It's all still bullish. Mm, 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 mm. They're not gonna make it easy, guys. Be careful. Be careful. I'm out on my account. I saw that wick and I just got out with a profit. I don't like that. It might go higher, but be very careful. Okay, let's see. New 4 o'clock, new 4 hour candle. I think we're still gonna go higher, but it's just. Oh, and Q, you started so nice. Okay, let's see. What are we gonna do? With a new 4 hour candle. So we are above this wick, so it looks more bullish than bearish at the moment. So I think we'll get a continuation, but we have to see what happens at 827 again, and if it, then we have another level here that we have to pay 850. I think it will go. Okay. I mean back in again, but I was just waiting if the manipulation move, the 10 of the 4 at 10 o'clock might be go a little bit low, but I thought, okay, we're above this wick already. We opened above this wick, so I thought, okay, this is the whole manipulation move for now. I'm not moving my stop yet. Not easy. I want to, but I'm not doing it yet. I can do it a little bit higher, but not. I can break it now to break even. There we go. Yeah, now we're gonna do it. Take another one off here. I think we're gonna go to this end walk. I think we're gonna get that daily wick, right? It's just gonna go up, 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 up. After we have entered this event horizon, I'm going to reassess and maybe take another trade all the way to the end walk here. But I'm going to reassess. I'm just going to calm down a little bit and then reassess again. Because I wonder we might get a retracement, and then let's see how long it's going to. Maybe it's going to consolidate for a while, right? So, and I just don't want to be stuck. So I'm getting out here, or I'm going to just go out and just get back in a little bit later. Hey, come on, go, go, go. Is my TP here? 848. Yeah. I'm going a little bit lower. I just want to be out. Make sure that I'm out. What time is it? 5 past. Okay, let's see. Okay, now, I don't want to be stopped out. Okay, come on. Macro almost done. I don't want to, if it's not going to run now anymore, I'm getting out because I don't want to, if it's going to start going down, I'm getting out. I'm taking one off already, yeah. Okay, let's go. 10:08, 10:08. Come on, go, go, go. Yep, go, 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 go. I want to hit this level for event horizon. Come on, take it to the event horizon. We love the event horizon. But you know, it's extended one deviation as well, so you have to be, it could go here a little bit later, right? Let's see. Uh, okay, come on, go, go, go. Take the event horizon. Go to the 1.25. Go to this level here. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, I'm sticking to my chair from the sweat. It's so warm. It's just warm outside. Not from the trade, but I couldn't even get up anymore. There you go. Come on. Come on, baby. You can do it. Yay. Event horizon is almost hit. Are you creating an equal low, a high there? Are you kidding me? Come on, check it out. I already put you lower than. Take the event horizon. Yeehaw! Yes, we are out. I'm gonna reassess now. It took me on my account and I put the same level in. Why are you not taking up on and see, that's why I don't like TradingView to put my trades directly to TradingView because I always have like a little bit of come on. There you go. Okay, I'm out and I'm gonna reassess now. Why is my money not falling? Yay! Hey, there's more. The trade is ongoing. Um, I'm gonna reassess, guys. I'm gonna wait until 10:30 now. Hey Kwame, you're doing really well. You're passing one eval after another. Hey Shamo, I'm thinking about doing it in the weekend, to be honest, because the weeks are a little bit too busy. So yeah, I'm just gonna post it in the Discord. Um, I think during the week it's a little bit difficult, to be honest, time wise. Um, Asia, I'm sleeping, but we'll make it work, Shamo. We'll figure it out. And otherwise, I'll do two. Just if there's people in different time zones, we can do or record one, and then we'll figure it out. Don't worry. Kwame. So Kwame, you passed another eval. Happy for you. Did you have the same bias? Did you have the same? But we're not done yet with the move to the upside. I'm just waiting for it to come down, and then we'll see if we can find another good entry. Because I just don't want to be stuck in, like, if it goes down and consolidate, and then maybe make that last move in PM session. I just don't want. So that's I'm sort of like, okay, either I missed the move, that's okay, but I'm just gonna break it in halves. So at least we have one move now. That was a good move, right? Okay, let it calm down. Let's see what it did. We will see some rejection here because of the event horizon. We can expect some. Sometimes it doesn't. Plus, it's also my 1.25 level, so both of them, matching together. So that's why I thought, you know what, just let it calm down, take a breather, and we reassess. Let's see. Now, so if we go back to what we discussed in the London session, remember that we have liquidity here, but we want to see a 4-hour or even a daily candle going through this end walk, right? So there is a high probability that we're going to go all the way up here into one of these wicks. We have also have a flat top here, so there is a possibility that we even go over this one and that we get into in this area, maybe into this gap even. So there's quite a bit of a move still left in the tank, I think. Hey, I mean, I did not expect the 830 move to go to the TGIF and then go back up again and then do this. I mean, NQ, I love you. I love NQ. Let's see, guys. So 2.5 is here. But question is, are we going to get a retracement here or here or here? Let's see. I'm also gonna. We don't need this gradient. I wanna grade this level now between these two. See what we can do from here. I don't know what this is. I want you. I'm just gonna wait till 10:34 now. use this little wick here. We need some extra. I just want to see what levels this one gives. 0.5 is here. 175. Okay. Okay. I think gold is the same play. I think if you're in gold, you're safe up to the event horizon as well. I'm just going to focus on NQ. I don't want to try to go back and forth. But hey, anyone who wants to play gold, I think it's the same 4281, 82ish. You're good to go. It's going to go up. I'm not going to enter. I'm just going to focus on. I'm going to focus on NQ because I think we both have. I think they're going to do the same thing. I think they're both going to go into this N walk because there's an imbalance both in the N walks. And yeah, I would definitely. Gold is good to go to 4281. It might have a little bit of a rejection here because we're outside macro as well, but TGIF baby, TGIF. But oh, talking about TGIF, let's have a look. If we get a T, we might not get a TGIF in the sense that we might go up, 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 and then it does that move later, right? Maybe on Sunday or Monday. But if we do get a TGIF, let's see where the 20% now is. So the 20% is now here. But we did take Asia low already, right? With that move to the downside, I believe, if I'm correct. I didn't check that, but I think Asia low has been taken. Yes, yes, yes. Asia low here. So we did that pre-market. But we did not take this level. Now where is the 20%? Right over here. Okay. 30% is here. If we go all the way to the N wall, okay, it's all going to go up, up, up. Oh, let's see it. Maybe we have a lot of plays. And this is a beautiful, so this is clear AMD, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and they're respecting my manipulation calculations as well. So 2.5 is definitely going into the wick. So distribution, baby, distribution. So the crazy thing is that the 830 move was the manipulation move. Okay, let's see. So 20 to 40 is a time that price starts running again. So I might get back in. Yeah, let me go to the 1 minute. We created a low here, 1020. Are we above the event horizon? I'm going to go a little bit lower. I'm going to go to the 15 here. I want to see a body close above the event horizon. 15. Yeah, I mean, it was, I thought when we went into the TGIF levels, I was like, oh my God, we're done. And then I thought, no, we're going bearish because that's a possibility too. And then it made that move back up. And look, here our thing is playing out what we discussed, right, in London. The resilience, just beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for. I think I'm gonna get another move to the upside, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm sticky to my chair. It's so much nicer to not be in a trade and sit through consolidation, or if you have to wait, right? So I just wanted to be more relaxed and do. So that's why I don't want to get into the gold trade as well, because just wait till 10:30. But yeah, I mean, it's so a high probability that we're gonna go into this end wall. Did you get it? Seek for wisdom. Did you take the long? Now there was a better entry than waiting for the 10 o'clock. This was it. Remember when we talked about the breaker retest? Breaker activated 9:53, and well, exactly at 10 o'clock. The open was here, and then you had the retest here, right? I did get in somewhere here, I guess. No, you never get out too early. You get out whenever you want to. And if you're green, and then you start looking back, like, okay, what can have I done better? What calculations would I have used? Like, for example, this is the breaker retest trade, right? So you see we have a breaker here. It goes, activates the breaker. We go into the breaker in a macro, and we retest it. And this is at 10 o'clock. And then it goes one more time into this breaker, right? So this was the last one, the retest, that you could actually take. But I think it was already okay to get in here, to be honest. And then let's do the 2R. Let's see what the 2R trade would have given us, right? So the breaker, you take it here, you enter. Somewhere in this candle. Your 2R trade. See, I'm just showing you to see how well you can trust this 2R trade, right? It's just always, if you use the breaker as your stop loss, but you have to enter in the area of the retest, right? And then that's your playing field. And technically it's almost a 3R trade, but you just take it to 2R. If you don't know yet, if you're like, because I use the event horizon and some other things, but if you just, okay, I just want a 2R trade, most of the times it will provide a 2R trade if you use the retest and you don't enter too high, and you just take it to 2R. And if you want to feel safe, you just do 1.8, if you think, oh my god, I might have entered a little bit higher. You see why I want to wait, why I want to get out? I just want to sort of like let it see what happens. It goes below again, and then, we don't know how long. Maybe it's going to go sideways for a long time. Well, then we just wait until the real manipulation was the 8:30 move. That was this move. Oh, we actually had another one. This was the higher time frame. Let's go to the higher time frame here. So when I feel confident in the AMD accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And I use the measurement of the manipulation move to calculate the the behavior of the candle here. And you see for wisdom, I think you asked me about my 1.25. How do I use it? Well, you see here how I use it. I get out. I wait. 1.25, baby. I think you asked about that 1.25, right? But I'm too afraid to get in. I would not, I wait until 10 o'clock. But this was also like a sort of like AMD, right? AMD. But I don't have the balls to get into in this move, sort of like. But that would have been possible as well, right? Thinking about it, but um, did anyone get in this area here? Because that's also beautiful. Just taking the turn at 9:41. But seek for wisdom, you have to backtest it because I use it in a specific way. I use it for the manipulation move. So again, I will show you. I only calculate, I use this area and I only use the body to body. You can also use wick to wick, but then you have to be consistent and you have to figure out what works for you because I figured out that this works for me doing it this way. So you have to really be able to identify the manipulation and I use body to body. So I leave the wicks out and I just go from body to body. So where is the change in state of delivery? Right over here. So I took it, I used this area then, right? Bowser, you got in. I got in when we held above 8:30 and 9:30. Okay, yeah, I was looking at that exactly, and then okay, so you did, yeah. I mean, it is sort of there, but I'm so used to playing the 10 o'clock AMD, but this is a better move. I agree, and well done. That's for me to. I'll get there. That's an improvement for me to. But yeah, that is the better move, definitely. But it's a clear AMD as well, right? AM, and it's time 9:41, 9:42, 9:44ish. 9:42 and 9:44 is a lot of the times is a turn on in my journal. So, but I don't trade it yet. I just need a little bit more confirmation. I'm too chicken for that now. Okay, we are back above it. Let's see. But Oxy for wisdom, I also have to say, it's not only the 1 point. It is also it matched up with the event horizon. So it's sort of like also an extra. It's not like only the 1.25, but it matched with the with this level, right? So it was an extra confluence. Now, are we going to go up to, or are we going to consolidate? I think it's going to consolidate a little bit. What do you guys think? I think we're going to go into consolidation a little bit. Bowser, what do you think? It depends where I see the manipulation the clearest. Sometimes it depends on if, like for example, now I took the one that matched up with the event horizon because it's okay. That's nice. It's sort of like gives me a confluence. But sometimes it's the 1 hour, sometimes it's the 15 minutes, sometimes 4 hour. It depends. But start playing around with it. Just back test it. Just go on back on your charts. Look at where's the AMD, right? So you look where, okay, where's accumulation, where's the manipulation, and where's the distribution, and then you calculate the manipulation. You see what happened at what level, right? You're confused. Why? It's sort of normal that it does that, right? After such a large move. And quite a bit of liquidity grab. And it's going to go to the upside, but it wants to take out the weekend, people that are going long. It's going to try to confuse them. And they want to take it, level some people out, I guess. Here we got equal lows. Let's see. 1034 printed, yes. I think we're going to go a little bit down and then go back up. I think we're going to take this out, this level. Yeah, I don't do that, but hey, if it works for you. What the hell is that? Hey, if that works for you, keep doing it. If you have, it's about doing something that you do consistent and you like, you stick to that because then you get the logic right. I used to do the wick to wick, but then I started trying. Oh, I'm just going to do body to body, and then suddenly I was like, okay. And then for some reason, I just sort of like felt a little bit more comfortable with that, so I just started to do that. But I know that week to week was also for me. It gave me my levels as well, but it was just maybe a little bit. They were different a little bit. With the Bowser, with the Friday, sometimes what I'm a little bit worried about with the PM session that if we had such a large move, it's sort of like sometimes done after a specific time. So I'm just hoping we get the. Oh, you got that from Nine? Yeah, yeah. Well, Nine knows his stuff. Yeah, I haven't spoken to them for a while. They do know about the channel though. They do know that because I had to ask permission, or I asked permission like, hey, can I share your document from the root candles? So yeah, and so. Um, I don't know, Reborn. You know why? Because we already went. The manipulation move went into the TGIF levels already. We went almost to 40% at that time, right? So we just could get an extension. So this was actually the TGI. If you want to today, this was a TGIF play technically, right? Because we went into the level. So I wonder if so that's why Bowser says we might get the move in PM, and thinking about that, I'm like, we're gonna in consolidation. Maybe we might just go up, and we do nothing now for a few hours, maybe, and then we have a PM move, and then we go back up into this range, and then maybe you get a TGIF, because if you don't have a TGIF on Friday, most of the times gives that little rundown in Asia when the market opens. So it would be, I mean, if it would do that again and we get that opportunity, that would be awesome. But I don't know, Reborn, because we got this move already here, and then this beautiful move up again. But we'll see. I mean, you know what? I mean, they keep surprising me, and you know, I always make scenarios on Friday, and 9 out of 10 times, it's a new scenario. So I keep on journaling them. I'm like, okay, whatever. So again, they keep surprising me. So who knows today as well? It's just really, I'm like, okay, now I really have it because I made it now. You know, I mean, this lines up, that lines up, and then it plays out differently again. So, but hey, we were on London. We did say, right? We did say this is in play. But when we hit all those TGIF levels, I was sort of like, oh, maybe we're going down, further down, or we're just going to. I didn't expect it, but then it makes sense, right? It's a beautiful move. Um, well, they could bring it down from here as well. I mean, this could be it as well. Okay, let's have a look at the a higher time frame breaker. Like what will it retest? What will it do? Um, you know, guys, I think we might have to wait a while. So I'm just thinking to come back later again, and maybe in about an hour or 1 hour and a half to make a new stream, take a bit of a break, I feel like making French fry. I'm really in a bad habit this week. I eat pizza. I talk about chocolate every time on stream. So you guys must think, oh, you're so unhealthy. But I really think like making some French fries in the oven, and I'll make some salad with it. But I'm really sort of like, it's in my brain now, and I'm like, do I want to watch the market or do I want to eat French fries now? And I think the French fries is winning. But yeah, I think we're not done yet. So I think I'm going to make a new stream for later on. I don't think it's worthwhile to let the stream. I can also leave the stream running, but I don't think that's a good thing to do. What do you guys think? Because I think we're not done yet. I think we're just going to retrace a little bit and just have a breather, and then we're going to go up, back up. Yeah. Hey, I'm jealous because you live in a country where you have very, very nice food. So, what are you eating? Seek for wisdom. What are you having? Yeah, it's just going to chop. It's just going to take a breather. Um, and instead of just looking at it and get it, I think we just should touch some grass, do something, and then come back in 1 hour and a half. I think that's a good idea. In the worst scenario, we miss it, or then we miss it, right? I mean, at least I had my French fries, I guess. Yeah. Okay, any question, guys, before I head off? I'm not interested in the short at all. I'm just not interested in the short. I'll quickly go over gold to see what's happening there before I log out. Okay, gold is doing the same, I guess. Gold also hit the event horizon, even went higher. So gold is doing the same. So oh, you fast for the morning. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's very healthy. Only water. That's not. Yeah, I'm into health as well normally, but not today, not this week. But I'll get back to it. Okay, any questions on NQ or on gold before I leave? And I'll make a new stream because it's going to be. I think where there's enough opportunity. I don't hope it's going to go now, but I don't think so. But hey, it could do it. Yeah, gold is definitely. But on the other hand, I'm sort of thinking 10:34 we go down. I'm just wondering if we're going below the 10 o'clock. Let me quickly have a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I hope. It would be nice if it takes out these equals and go back maybe to the maybe to somewhere in this area. On the 4 hour, we have uh, an inversion as well here. Maybe it goes into a little bit. It could reverse. Have a nice weekend too. Seek for wisdom. I might try to organize something in Discord. We'll see. But if I don't see you later on today, have a nice weekend as well. And thank you for hanging out. Hey PK, you want a gold feel quickly? Gold is very bullish, PK. Are you in? Did you trade today? Gold is bullish. It hit the event horizon, and I do believe we're going here later today. So, still bullish on gold. I think now we're just going to go consolidate and have a little bit of a pullback. And then it's preparing itself, I think, for a move to the upside because we still have some liquidity here. And this N walk might be in play. So that's it for gold. Nothing else to say. I actually don't like gold too much. It's a little bit sloppy, but on the other hand, we did have a 4.5 standard deviation, so we have to just to see how it's going to react the next hour, to see if it's really going to just consolidate and then go back higher, or is it done and maybe go back into the range. But we'll see. It could reverse from here as well, to be honest, go all the way back. No, I don't think so. I don't know where the support is for gold, to be honest. I don't really do support and resistance. I look at different levels, PK, so I can't really tell you where support is. If it goes down, you have to look for a breaker or something like that. I can't really tell you, to be honest. I just don't like the chart too much. I can't find a breaker. There, one here, then but this candle went through it already. If I look at the weekly range, you could go all the way back down here as well. There's liquidity here. I'm inclined to think that it's going to go up further, but I think it's for me just I'm just going to let it play out, see where how far the pullback goes, and then reassess later on. PK, it's just gold is just not my. I just don't like how it's moving lately, and it's just I can swing it both ways a little bit. It could slam down totally and go back into the range, or it just could consolidate here a little bit, and here use this area as support. But it could also just manipulate all the way back down. So you have to be careful with gold. But I'm inclined to say we're bullish. But how far are we going to go down? I don't know. I think we're going to consolidate a little bit. But I could be wrong. I'll check in later on. But look at this at the 15-minute. It's just back and forth, back and forth. Yeah. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you guys later. I'll make a new stream for in about 1.5 hours, and let's see what we get. I don't hope the move happens when I'm eating my French fries, but we'll see. For now, I'll see you in a bit. I'll see you later. And stay safe. Don't overtrade. Wait for A+.